Here's how I'm using a filter. And look like this. I drain the cinnamon water, and there are powdered cinnamon residues under it. I want to show this in particular. Look, the water I need here for me is just cinnamon water, but we don't use cinnamon residues. This is important. Look, I want to show you the underlying residue. If we had poured this powdered cinnamon directly into its part, what kind of problem we would have encountered? Since this powdered cinnamon would stick to the roots of the orchid, it would prevent the orchid roots from getting air. This would not be good for orchids either, because the orchid root must be airborne. If this powdered cinnamon residue sticks, it will suffocate the orchid as it will stop the air of the horn.